Hello boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video today, and today I will be doing another food review. It will be at Macca's today, and it will be on the hash brown today. It is a good breakfast meal to have at Macca's, especially if you're on a road trip and you have to get up in the morning. Like I had to get up early in the morning to go to Cairns, and I went on the highway, so the hash brown is $2.40 flat. As I said, good breakfast meal. It has crisp on it and some white stuff, so I'm going to try it now. So, the crust, it's very crunchy, the white stuff in it, it's hot, not much. It has some very good taste in it, a very good crust side. I'd go get it again, and I'm going to give it a 8.8 out of 10 today, since it's a great breakfast meal to have. This year I am going to make a Q&A. I'll answer 10 questions in it, so if you have any questions for a Q&A question, please write down, comment below in any video, then I'll see it. So, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, as always, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.